Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Redmi A3 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then you have to select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and now click allow and click consent. Then you can click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now you're connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.